12 awesome car gadgets you'll want to have. Rev up your driving experience with these must-have car gadgets that blend innovation with convenience. From high-tech navigation systems to cutting-edge safety features, these accessories are designed to enhance every aspect of your journey. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast or a daily commuter, these gadgets will revolutionize the way you interact with your vehicle. Scan Grip Starlight. The Scan Grip Starlight is a portable and rechargeable work light designed for use in a variety of settings, including workshops, garages, construction sites, and more. It features advanced LED technology that provides bright and uniform lighting, making it ideal for use in low-light environments. The Starlight has a sturdy and durable construction with a high-quality aluminum casing that is resistant to impacts, water, and dust. It is also designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient to take with you wherever you go. SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight. The SGCB Pro Swirl Finder flashlight is a high-quality inspection tool designed for detailing and automotive professionals. It features advanced LED technology that provides bright and uniform lighting, making it ideal for use in low-light environments to detect swirl marks, holograms, and other paint defects. The Pro Swirl Finder flashlight has a durable and lightweight aluminum construction, making it easy to carry and maneuver. It also features a rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. R-Plate Digital License Plate. The R-Plate Digital License Plate is a digital license plate developed by a company called Reviver Auto. It is a high-tech license plate that has a variety of features not found on traditional license plates. The R-Plate Digital License Plate uses electronic ink technology to display license plate numbers, registration tags, and other information. This technology allows the plate to be updated wirelessly, which means that registration and other information can be changed remotely without the need for physical stickers or visits to the DMV. This can help streamline the registration process and reduce the need for physical paperwork. DevKit 3. The DevKit 3 is a development kit designed by Comma.ai, a company that specializes in creating technology for self-driving cars. The DevKit 3 is a hardware and software platform that provides developers with the tools to build their own autonomous driving system. The DevKit 3 includes a range of hardware components, including a processor board, a GPS module, cameras, and sensors. It also includes a software platform that allows developers to write and test their own autonomous driving algorithms. The software includes a variety of tools for data collection, training, and evaluation, which can help developers fine-tune their autonomous driving system. One of the key benefits of the DevKit 3 is its affordability. Brickhouse Security Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker. The Brickhouse Security Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker is a compact GPS tracking device designed for personal and vehicle tracking. It is a small, portable device that can be used to track the location of cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The device uses a GPS and cellular network to provide real-time tracking information. It can be set up to provide location updates at regular intervals, and can also be set up to send alerts when the vehicle enters or exits a particular area. The device is designed to be tamper-proof, which means that it cannot be easily removed or disabled by unauthorized individuals. The Spark Nano 7 is a popular device among fleet managers, parents, and individuals who want to keep track of the location of their vehicles. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades are a type of windshield wiper blade that uses advanced technology to provide superior performance in all weather conditions. They are designed to be more durable and longer lasting than traditional wiper blades, and they can also help to improve visibility on the road. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades are made with a unique nanotechnology coating that helps to repel water and debris. This coating creates a thin layer of air between the blade and the windshield, which reduces friction and helps to prevent streaking and smearing. The blades are also made with a flexible, high-strength frame that is designed to resist bending and cracking, even in extreme temperatures. Pump Pal Reusable Fueling Glove. The Pump Pal Reusable Fueling Glove is a type of protective glove designed to be used when fueling a car or other vehicle. It is made of a durable, reusable material that provides protection from fuel and other chemicals commonly found at gas stations. The glove is designed to be lightweight and comfortable, with a textured grip that allows the user to hold the fuel pump securely. The material is also resistant to punctures and tears, which means that it can be used multiple times without needing to be replaced. Retech Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder. The Retech Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder is a device that combines a MagSafe wireless charger and a phone holder into one compact foldable unit. The device is designed to be used in a car, allowing drivers to charge their iPhone 12 or newer models and keep their phone within easy reach while on the road. The charger is equipped with MagSafe technology, which allows the iPhone to be easily and securely attached to the charger. This means that the phone can be charged while being held securely in place without the need for cords or wires. Automatic Sensing Parking Lock. An automatic sensing parking lock is a device that is designed to prevent unauthorized access to a parking space or driveway. It is a compact and sturdy device that is installed on the ground, and it can be activated and deactivated using a remote control or a smartphone app. When activated, the parking lock rises up from the ground, creating a barrier that prevents any vehicle from entering or leaving the parking space. The lock is also equipped with sensors that detect the presence of a vehicle, so it will automatically retract back into the ground when a vehicle approaches. HUD Dual System Head-Up Display OBD2 GPS Digital Speedometer. Universal Car CUDI OBD plus GPS Dual System Smart Head-Up Display with Navigation Speedometer Alarm Ambient Light Overspeed Warning System. Description: 1. OBD plus GPS Dual System. 2. Rotatable bracket. 2. Installation methods: sheer center console or windshield. At present, the first HUD with alarm ambient light. The ambient light is normally blue and flashes red when the alarm occurs. The first HUD that has a clock function in the lower right corner of the screen. There are 3 units of turbine pressure: PSI, 100 kPa, and bar. The turbine value can be adjusted and calibrated to increase the fuel consumption unit kmL.6, up to 10 Hz refresh rate, no stuttering delay phenomenon. Akuto LED Cup Holders. LED cup holder measuring 110 x 82 mm mounting aperture sees extensive use in different environments such as ships, yachts, RVs, and cars. You can use the remote control to control color changes. Composed of 304 stainless steel, the car LED cup holder is wear resistant and heat resistant, promising high durability and an extensive service life adaptable to diverse conditions. Complete with a drainage weep hole, the cup holder efficiently prevents water accumulation, thereby increasing its functionality to greater extents. This excellent feature adds a touch of beautiful and practical decoration, creating a splendid atmosphere. Connecting 4 wires to their corresponding colors on the shorter wire harness, followed by connection with longer harnesses, ensures an easy installation. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.